Exciting stuff. On to football we go now as JFF President Michael Ricketts' legal battle, which ended in the courts last year, is not expected to be swept under the carpet at Saturday's quarterly board meeting set for the JFF headquarters. Jerome Foster has the details.
When the JFF board meets on Saturday, at least one member is expected to question JFF President Michael Ricketts' time at the top. Centre FA President Danny Beckford will try to discredit Ricketts' candidacy for the next JFF election by using the FIFA Code of Ethics. Ricketts' battle with Ainsley Lowe for the presidency of the Clarendon FA in 2017, which ended in the Supreme Court last year, could end up ruling him out of the next presidential race. The JFF boss, who lost a defamation case and ordered to fork out $9 million towards Lowe, made him guilty of breaking FIFA Law 22, which deals with discrimination. This is the reason some members believe Ricketts is ineligible to run again.
I'm not sure what the FIFA position is on it. I would think that there would be some provision for something like that, but I'm not sure. People can be involved in different legal issues. So I guess the type of legal issue might depend to, what it is.
Why is he getting a pass when the rules of the FIFA says about discrimination, which surely was his case, would fall under that?
I couldn't answer that. I mean, I'm not a director, That's a board decision. I'm not a director.
Dennis Strong, the JFF General Secretary, isn't too sure about the rules, neither is he the one to rock the boat.
My job is not to do that. My job is to ensure that the JFF prospers and that the reputation of the JFF is intact and put the structures in place so the thing can run so that we can qualify for World Cup, for example.
But Ricketts' support is strong in the West. That's where his wheel and dealer is based. The West and the South were responsible for Ricketts being elected to office.
Should the election be tomorrow, would you vote on behalf of the Westmoreland FA to put Mr. Ricketts back in office?
Yes, I would. Yes, I would. At this time, then we'd have to look at who is the challenger. What are they offering? But right now where we are, it's work in progress. We have to just correct where we are. And we're not going to say that better is not out there, but where? In the football fraternity, or is it from someone from outside who want to come in? And what are they bringing? What is it that they know about the sports and the running of football?
But Westmoreland FA boss Everton Tomlinson agrees the football administration needs thinkers.
Because the business of football is not like the business of how Grace Kennedy run. It's not like the business of how JPS run. The business of football is designed and structured in a particular way around the world. We need to study it. The method of how we operate, the association, the federation and the club.
Whether Ricketts return or not, there could be changes to the vice presidents, as TVJ Sports understands that Raymond Anderson, Bruce Gaynor and Peter Reid are expected to be shown the door, with Gregory Daly, Raymond Grant and Ewan Scott being mentioned as their replacements. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.